Watson, and this is my player. And math is fun. Let's learn. Okay, teachers, I'm about to let you see what I'm about to do in this lesson for my students. And this is specifically for special education students. So what you're about to see is just a lesson that I'm going to make for my special education students. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the worksheet. I'm going into the live board app. And then I'm going to take this worksheet right here. And I'm just going to crop it right there. Just like that. And then when I get in here, crop it again. Bring it down. And voila. This is the beginning of my lesson. So. Okay. Let's get started. Hello, students. Now, if you have a worksheet just like this, then I would like you to follow along and write exactly what I write on my paper, where I write it at. If you don't have any materials, then I just need you to pay very close attention to what I am doing and saying so you can learn. All right, let's get started. I'm going to start with putting my name here. Now, make sure you pause the video because I don't want to go too fast. Pause the video if you need time so that you can learn at your own pace. Okay, let's get started. Independent practice. Look at the number. Circle even or odd. Then write the equation. Use cubes to help. Okay, look at this number here. We have the number 9. Now, they have the pictures of the cubes here to help us. From what I see, this is uneven because it's more up here than it is down here. So that means that 9 is an odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 9. Okay, it looks like my pencil is a little too thick here. Let's go down. Okay, let's go to number 4. 18. Okay, I already know simply by looking at this picture with the cubes that this is even because it's the same right here, right? So 18 is even. Now, what plus what equals 18? Do you know your doubles facts? Because I know mine. So, what do you think the number is? Pause the video and see if you can figure this one out. 9 plus 9 equals 18. As simple as that. Let's go on to the next. Number 5. 10. Okay, this one is super easy. I know you can do this one without my help at all. Is 10 odd or even? Is it in 2 equal groups? Yes, it is. So that makes it even, right? Now, what plus what equals 10? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, we're doing a good job. Let's keep going on to number 6. 13. Okay. Is the number 13 even or odd? And they don't have any pictures here, so we kind of got to visualize in our own minds what we think the answer is. Since the 3 is odd, I think 13 is actually odd. And I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12. So that would mean that 6 plus 7 would equal 13. You see how I use knowledge of doubles facts to figure that out? Let's go on to number 7. Okay, is the number 7 odd or even? Can it be split into 2 equal groups? No. So that means it's odd. And I know from memory that 4 plus 3 equals 7. You see how I just did that? That was just a mental math strategy. I didn't have to count anything. I just have that memorized. Let's go on to number 8. And you're doing a good job so far, so stay focused. Number 8. I want you to try to do this one on your own. Pause the video and see if you can tell whether the number 6 is odd or even. If you need to get a piece of paper and a pencil to draw out a picture, you can do that also. I'm going to draw a little picture here to help you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's see if I can turn this into 2 equal groups. I have a group of 3 here and a group of 3 here. So yes, I can. So that means it's even. So what would be the equation here? 3 plus 3. Yes, you're right. Equals 6. Okay, we're almost done. It looks like we have a nice higher order thinking question right here. Let's get started. For each number, circle true or false. Then explain your thinking. You guys know I like to explain my thinking, so this is going to be fun. Higher order thinking. Carl says 14 is even. He says 41 is odd. True or false? Okay. 14 is even. That would be true, right? Because 4 can be split. And 4 is in the ones place. And 14. 41 is odd, is what he said. So is that also true? Of course. 41 is odd. Now let's explain our thinking. I already know 14 is even because it can be shown as 2 equal groups. 41, listen closely, is odd because it cannot be shown as equal groups. Okay, it looks like I totally ran out of space right there, but I was able to get exactly what I was thinking down. So that's really good. All right, good job. Make sure if you had a worksheet that looks like mine, that your worksheet is completely finished, and make sure it's completely like mine so you can get all your answers correct. Good job.